Here's my cat, everyone. She's in here. My cat is right in here. I don't know what she's doing. She's just sniffing around, as you guys can tell. She's sniffing around. Cookie, I'm about to drag you out. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Cookie. I appreciate it. Don't go back in there, okay? Okay, Cookie. Just look at this cat, guys. I know, Larry. Wait. What, Cookie? She doesn't even care. There she goes. There goes the cat. Just the rest of the room. Looks kind of weird. Made it. Oh, sorry. Hold on. What did she want to? What is in here that she wanted? Comment down below, guys. What did Cookie want inside my closet for? Probably looking for a mouse or something. It makes sense. Like, comment, and subscribe.